What is going on, you guys? I hope you guys had a great trading day today, and if you didn't, don't worry, there's plenty of more opportunities coming on Monday. Market today, pretty good day on the market today. Didn't really expect that, but then again, it is Friday, and right now the market conditions are pretty crazy, so anything's possible right now. If you guys are looking for, how do I get in a trade? Where do I take a trade? When's the best time to take a trade? Very simple, guys. Check this out. Just sit back, relax. Don't jump in right at the bell. Don't be doing nothing dumb. Sit back and relax. Check this out. Topped out right here. 327.50 whole number. That's resistance right there. 327 whole number. That's going to be your support. All right. Simple. All right. Once it breaks support, check this out. This is now your support. 326.50. And now this is going to be your resistance. All right. Now, this is going to be a strong support. Why? Because this is yesterday's highs paired with a whole number here. Okay, as you can see, once it broke through, it just ripped on through. Luckily, it came back up. Try to come up higher. Where did it reject? 327, resistance, all right? Now it rejected that. Now it comes on down. Wait for this 326 to break. Boom. She's gone. Lights out. All right, it's that simple, guys. If you want to go higher, watch for resistance to break. If you want to go to the downside, watch for support to break. Pair it up with days highs like this. You got killer trades, guys. The trade I took today is Nvidia. Usually I'm always trading the SPY, but today somehow I didn't, It's funny because I'm saying there's plenty of opportunity in the SPY, but I didn't take a trade on the SPY. But took a trade on Nvidia. First things first, we had a gap up like this. And usually when it gaps up like that, I expect them to come down, fill the gap. If it doesn't fill the gap today, maybe, the next day or the following day. But I expect it to come on downwards, all right? So what you want to do is don't jump in right at the bell. Just let it play around, let it play out, do its thing. Just sit back and relax. I know I say that a lot, but it's true, guys. Just sit back and relax. So it played out, topped out here, 248.55. Came on down here. Played around a little bit here. Wasn't really interested in here. You do have this 247 resistance or support either way. So I broke this 247. Now your support is going to be right here. And this is going to be a really strong support. Why? Again, yesterday's highs paired with the whole number. Same thing, guys. All right, so now I know that once it breaks this, we're going to have a nice run to the bottom. All right, just because I know it's a strong support now. It tried to bounce here. And now this became resistance. It tried to bounce right here. Couldn't really do it. Right at this 246 area, right before this candle ended or started, I loaded up on some 245 puts. And, the market came down. As we saw, the market came down, which pretty much helped everything play out as well. Market came down. So I was pretty confident in this trade, all right? Loaded up on 245 puts to the downside. Rode them all the way down here. Got all of my position out right here. I left a couple on, maybe like one or two. I think maybe like three I left on. Anyways, really small, just to see if we can get more downturn. Obviously we did, and it came up. What did it reject? 246. Broke support, that now becomes resistance. It rejected 246. Next level of support is going to be right here. And check this out. Same as this day right here, okay? 245 broke, came on downwards. All right, it's that simple, guys. It's that easy. That's how you take a trade, all right? Now, I'm not saying that's the best way to take a trade, but if you're starting, it's simple, guys. Support and resistance. I tell you guys that over and over. Support and resistance paired with whole numbers. You can't go wrong with it, all right? That's all you need, guys. Like I tell you guys over and over, don't focus on Bollinger Bands and moving averages and all that stuff. That can help. There's a place for that, but you don't need to worry about that. Support and resistance is what you need to focus on. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. And here's what I made today on the trade on Nvidia, 7,467. So really nice way to close out the week today. And hoping we get some more of these days on Monday.